Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to make an image a gradient in Photoshop. Let's begin. I already opened this image. Click the image layer. Then best way for added gradient. Click effects, gradient overlay. Select and choose the transparent plate. Double click the plate and use your color. Example, I use this color red and see this another corner and use this color blue. And see this middle, you can use middle color or not use as your wish. I do not use this middle color. Simply click and drag on, delete, save. Okay, and see this angle, normal to multiply. For this edit, apply for best combination, scale up and down, move, opacity. Okay, thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.